First, you need lemon. Next, you need grape. Next, you need sugar. Next, you need water. Next, you need ice, and you need to prepare the squeezing device. Now I am going to show you how to make it. First, you take the lemon and then take the squeezing device. Now you take the lemon. Actually, you need to cut it and then put it into the squeezing device. You squeeze it. And then you put it right here. Then you take this and pour it into the water. Next, you need sugar. You need 6 spoons of sugar. Now you get 1. Next, you need to stir it up. So the sugary spoon, you just take it, put it inside, and just stir it all together. You take it out and put it in back. Make sure all the sugar are in the empty bubbles on your spoon. That means the sugar is not right there. So, mix it until you don't see the bubble. Now, you take the spoon and make sure no sugar is right there. Put it back. Next, you need grapes. Down. Put that in the sugary spoon and then mix it. Put back the spoon. Next, you need ice. This ice is very put whatever fruit you want inside the lemonade mix. And then you are done. Take the sugar spoon again, put it inside, stir it again, and then drink it.